You're listening to the Options Insider Radio Network. For more quality options programs, visit www.theoptionsinsider.com or search for Options Insider Radio Network in your podcast provider of choice. Listeners can also access all of our programming through our mobile app, available in iTunes and on Google Play.
Welcome to the Hot Options Report, your premier source for insight into the fast-moving options market. Each day, we'll track down the products that are dominating the options chains and impacting your trading account, from Nvidia to VIX and everything in between. If it's lighting up the options tape, then you'll find it on the Hot Options Report.
All right, everybody, that music means we are back. It is time for your Hot Options Report for Tuesday, April 21st. My name, of course, Mark Longo from the Options Insider Radio Network, the home of your favorite options podcasts. And, of course, if you want a little options data fun, a little analytics, do some scans, find some unusual activity, you know where to go. TheHotOptionsReport.com is the place to go to kick the tires and light the fires. All sorts of scans waiting there for you. Today's featured scan is the symbol pump scan. What is this? This is any stock or ETF where the current volume is either 1x, 3x, or 5x, both the weekly and the monthly averages. A little bit of a combo scan there. There are 104 tickers getting lit up by this scan today. We're just going to do the top three. You can find the rest for yourselves. Number 3, we've got Archimedes Tech SPAC Partners, ticker symbol ARCIU. Number 2, we've got Gesher Acquisition Corp, ticker symbol GSHR. And the big dog on the list this week, Electro Sensors Inc., ticker symbol ELSE, ELSE. Check out that one and all the other scans, thehotoptionsreport.com, because now it's time for us to sink our teeth into our top 10. Was it a juicy day? Is it a big meal in the options market today? The answer was no. Shy of 500,000 contracts, 444,000 contracts is what it cost you to break into the top 10 today. That gets us to our old pal Palantir. Pretty much unched on the day, up about 8 cents to close a little bit shy of 146. And the hot option in Palantir today, 39,000 of the 150s expiring on Friday. Average price for these, $2.34. The intraday high was pretty much right at that level. They kissed it before retreating off of it today. So, you down for those, or would you be a seller of the 150s by Friday? As we keep climbing to number 9, this is Oracle. This name has been climbing for a little while now, climbing again today, closing 181.17, up $3.59, or exactly 2%, putting up 462,000 contracts for the number 9 spot on our countdown today. And what was the hot option in Oracle today? 32, almost 33,000 of the 185s. Average price for these, about $3.40. Looks like paper was buying them. Once again, before you say that's wild, the intraday high was 185.34. So these were 34 cents in the money at one point. Perhaps that makes you like these more. As we keep climbing to number 8, this is AMD. This stock has done naught but climb for the better part of the last 2 weeks, just like the market, rallying another $9.54, or about 3.5%, to close 284.49, putting up 588,000 contracts for the number 8 spot on our countdown today. The hot option in AMD, 31,000 of the 285s, so slightly out of the money calls. Average price for these, $5.33, so that certainly is juicy. Looks like paper was potentially selling these. Intraday high, 286.20. So these were $1.20 in the money at one point. But would you step in front of AMD at this point, or would you be a buyer of these, listeners? I'm curious. Hit us up. Let us know as we keep climbing to the number 7 spot on our countdown today. This is Mr. Netflix. Netflix closing today, $92.58, off 2.25, putting up 617,000 contracts. For the number 7 spots, not been a great run for Netflix while the rest of the market has been rallying. The hot option in Netflix, nearly 24,000. Of the 96 calls, these are expiring on Friday. Looks like paper was buying these for an average price of around 53 cents. So once again, hope springs eternal, listeners. The intraday high was 94.65. So again, maybe that makes you like these more, but not looking great right now. As we keep climbing to number 6, this name has been on a wild tear. I know some folks in our pro chat were nibbling on some of the stock yesterday. What is it? It's Beyond Meat. Closing today, $1.04, down about 12 cents today, or about 10%. But it's been on a wild tear over the last week. It was trading, about 75 cents less than a week ago. So it's been on a wild run. It topped out, looks like today, at $1.40. So a wild run in Beyond Meat. A lot going on in the world of meat and indeed faux meat. All that adding up to 644,000 contracts. Hitting the tape and beyond today. The hot option, it was 103,000 of the 1/2s. Average price for these 15 cents. Now, before you say to you, sold to you, that's exactly what paper appears to have done. They were blasting away on these listeners, which as of right now, nearly 50% out of the money. Seems like a good trade. These are expiring on Friday, listeners. But you never know with these wild meme stocks. Could turn around again in a heartbeat. We'll keep an eye on all things beyond. See if it can make it back into our top 10 this week as we keep climbing to number 5. This is Amazon. Amazon, were they climbing today? The answer was yes, up $1.63 to close, $249.91, putting up 829,000 contracts. For the number 5 spot on our countdown today, the hot option, 52K of the 255s, the two doubles. Average price for these, $1.13. And once again, before you scream, sold to you into your podcast device of choice. Looks like paper was doing that as well. Now, these are expiring tomorrow, so not going all the way out to Friday this time. Drawing a line in the sand to the upside by tomorrow. Can Amazon stay below this level? If it does, you're pocketing all $1.13 as we keep climbing. To number 4, it's Mr. Softy. Were they climbing today? The answer was yes. Up $6.09 to close, $424.16, putting up 849,000 contracts. For the number 4 spot in our countdown today, the hot option 65K of the 430s, expiring tomorrow as well. So not going all the way out to Friday. Average price for these, $1.44. And once again, before you scream sold to you, that seems to be what paper was doing. Blasting away on these as an opening trade. Again, can Microsoft stay below the 430 strike by tomorrow? We shall find out as we keep climbing to number 3. Yes, I said number 3. It's Tesla, falling all the way from 1 recently, not even to 2, all the way down to 3. The stock falling today as well. 386.42 is where the stock went out, off $6.08, or about 1.5%, putting up 1.21 million contracts for the number 3 spot in our countdown today. The hot option on a somewhat muted day in Tesla, volume-wise, nearly 75,000 of the 390 puts. These are expiring on Friday, so not even the weekly expirations, which is interesting. Average price for these, $11.37. Obviously, they are now in the money. Looks like paper was selling these, so could be someone drawing a line in the sand. Would you be a seller of those, listeners? Would you step in front of the downside in Tesla? Or would you be a buyer? Hit us up. Let us know as we let you know who the number 2 name is on our list. Who's kicking Tesla to the curb today? This is Apple, the fruit company. Big news coming out of them today. New CEO in the offing. Apple getting back to its roots a little bit, going hardware with a new CEO. The market not apparently liking that news, selling off 2.5% or nearly $7 to close, $266.17, putting up 1.3 million contracts for the number 2 spot on our countdown today. The hot option in the fruit company today, 65,000 of the 265 puts. Average price for these, 89 cents. These are expiring tomorrow. Looks like paper was scooping these again for about 89 cents. So you think Apple can keep selling off? It's like the intraday low was 265 and about a half. So they threatened it today, but never quite broke that strike. Can they get down below it tomorrow, listeners? I guess we shall find out as we also find out who's at the top spot of our list. No surprise, it's Nvidia, although the total volume may surprise you. Only 1 3/4 million contracts, so clearly a light day in the options market today. Nvidia retreating back below that power strike again, selling off $2.18 to close 199.88, so just below the power strike, listeners. And what was the hot option on a kind of light day in Nvidia? It was 141,000 of the power puts expiring tomorrow. Average price for these $1.32. Kind of split in the uprights. Hard to tell if paper was buying or selling these. Probably a little bit of column A and a little bit of column B. But we'll keep an eye on these. This is obviously a pivotal psychological level. And that's going to do it for your hot options report for a somewhat quiet Tuesday, April 21st. See you back here tomorrow on the network for Options Bootcamp, as well as, of course, the Futures Rundown. Until we're back after the closing bell, another episode of the Hot Options Report. Stay safe out there, everybody.
You're listening to the Options Insider Radio Network. For more quality options programs, visit www.theoptionsinsider.com or search for Options Insider Radio Network in your podcast provider of choice. Listeners can also access all of our programming through our mobile app, available in iTunes and on Google Play.